Hey foodies, wagwan, welcome to the channel. Have you ever had purple sweet potato? If you have never had it, it's highly nutritious, it tastes really good. I'm going to teach you how to make it. So first you'll need some purple sweet potato, of course. Make sure you wash them clean to remove the soil. And we're going to be peeling it. We're also going to be using a half coconut. If you don't have a grater, you can always use a food processor because the grating process, it takes a lot of time. And it's also not the safest thing to do. So we're going to go ahead and grate our purple potatoes. We're going to add our coconut. We're going to add a half teaspoon of cornmeal. We're also going to be adding a cup of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can always substitute it with all-purpose flour. And if you have sweet potato, you can use it as well. We're using a cup of white sugar. We're going to be spicing it up. We're adding some melted butter, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, a pinch of salt, some vanilla. If you have raisin, of course you can add some raisins to this as well. And we're going to combine all of this. We're also adding in a cup of warm water so that the mixture can be nice and soft. So we're going to combine all of this. We have the grease pan already greased. We have the oven preheated as well. And we're going to mix all of this until it's combined. Make sure that you use a suitable baking pan. Then we're going to add our mixer to the baking pan and we're going to bake this until it cooks. Pop it back in the oven until it bakes, until it's nice and soft. And remember, don't do what I do. Leave the cake to cool before you cut it, and you can have this with your coffee in the morning. It's really good, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Also remember to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, good.